My gift ideas for International Women's Day, March 8th. Spring's first holiday is around the corner, and it's time to start thinking about gifts for International Women's Day. It's not about grand presents but rather thoughtful gestures. Sending a small card or image over a messenger can come off as disrespectful. Avoid common no-go items such as bath towels, kitchen utensils, pre-made sets, or mugs. If you're budget conscious or seeking a formal gift, a bouquet of fresh flowers is a safer, appreciated option than the items mentioned. A beautiful bouquet of roses or tulip doesn't have to break the bank.
Appropriate gifts for Women's Day can range from fresh flowers, gift certificates, concert or play tickets, fruit arrangements or baskets, potted plants, or an exquisite date book. These work for different women in your life, from friends and relatives to business partners.
Fresh flowers are universally accepted gifts for International Women's Day.
Suitable for any woman, regardless of age, a bouquet is a wonderful, fitting gift. It's safe to say a flower arrangement could be your best choice.
Gift certificates are another universal gift. Perfume stores are a popular choice, but consider certificates for jewelry, accessories, or even lingerie stores. However, remember that giving a lingerie store's gift certificate to a colleague would be inappropriate.
Concert or play tickets require knowledge about the recipient's taste and availability. Make sure the event does not coincide with any other plans she might have.
The most crucial thing is the intent to give the best gift possible. Choose with your heart and plan ahead to have more options. There's no harm in being frugal and using promo codes or discounts to get a great gift.
Use our special promo code WD10 to get a 10% discount on all items except gift certificates before March 2nd. Order now to ensure timely delivery. Use link in the description www.Cyber-Florist.com.